Side hustles are often seen as the fast track to financial freedom. Everyone's talking about them, whether it's driving for rideshare apps, selling online, or freelancing. But here's the harsh reality. Most side hustles don't bring in the money people hope for. So why isn't your side hustle paying off like you expected? The first problem is unrealistic expectations. We've all heard the success stories, but they rarely mention the countless hours, failures, and sacrifices involved. Side hustles require serious time and effort before they start paying off. Expecting quick returns often leads to frustration and burnout. Then there's time management. Many people underestimate the time a side hustle demands. Balancing a full-time job, family, and personal life leaves little room for your hustle to grow. Without dedicated time, your side hustle remains just that, a side gig, not a profitable venture. Market saturation is another major hurdle. The gig economy is flooded with similar offerings, making it tough to stand out. To succeed, you need to be creative, master marketing, and possibly specialize in a niche. If you're not making money, it might be because you're lost in a sea of competitors. Lack of specialized skills can also hold you back. High-paying side hustles often require specific expertise. If your earnings are low, consider investing in education or certifications to set yourself apart from the crowd. Finally, many side hustlers give up too soon. Building a profitable side hustle takes time, persistence, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. Those who stick with it and adapt are the ones who eventually succeed. Side hustles aren't a magic bullet, but with the right approach, they can lead to significant income. Manage your expectations, master your time, improve your skills, and most importantly, don't give up too soon. The journey may be tough, but the rewards are worth it. If this resonates with you, subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies to help you achieve financial success.